they support me all in my study and all in such as allowance, accommodation, and I think it's enough for me. And I think this program is very good.
AUN program is really helpful in educating the students here and integrating all ASEAN universities here in the world, and they have given us really great opportunities to study in good institutions like Chulalongkorn University.
AUN SEEDnet has always been proud of the stories of success and achievement our students and scholars accomplish along the path of pursuing their career and education. Their stories confirm and prove our significant contribution in strengthening relations within ASEAN and Japan University Network. Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA Technical Cooperation Project for ASEAN University Network, Southeast Asia Engineering Education Development Network, or JICA Project for AUN SEEDnet, was established in 2001 as a sub-network under the auspices of ASEAN University Network. AUN SEEDnet has been collaborating with member institutions and ASEAN governments, supported by Japanese government through JICA. Our contribution and network has tremendously grown throughout the past 15 years, marked by 3 different phases of the project. With a total of 40 member institutions, our network currently consists of 26 leading institutions from 10 ASEAN countries and 14 Japanese supporting universities, working together to develop human resource and education in 10 engineering fields. In Phase 4, we strive to achieve the multi-concerted efforts with the goal to plant the seed of future, grow ASEAN-Japan network for sustainability. During Phase 4 of our project, AUN SEEDnet continues to support current students and the 2018 new intakes in the graduate degree program, as well as implementing the 4 focused activities, namely Collaborative Education Program or CEP, Alumni Support Program or ASP, ASEAN Engineering Journal or AEJ, and Regional Conference or RC. Collaborative Education Program or CEP is a newly launched program that aims to encourage and promote the flexibility and self-sustainability of our member institutions in managing their postgraduate study programs. The first awarded consortium has already set off their operation earlier this year. The consortium marks the fruitful collaboration between Sirinthorn International Institute of Technology, Hokkaido University, Institute of Technology of Cambodia, Thai Obayashi Corporation Limited, and Thai Heyo Cement Corporation. Long-standing relationship they have formed over the years throughout a wide range of collaborative activities can certainly ensure the quality of this happening to joint educational program. Alumni Support Program or ASP has been introduced to support groups of alumni and alumni associations set by member institutions. With over 1,000 alumni from different scholarship and collaborative programs, the establishment of the group of alumni or alumni associations is necessary for maintaining and strengthening the existing network. For 2018, the financial support has been awarded to the Institute of Technology of Cambodia and Hanoi University of Science and Technology. ASEAN Engineering Journal or AEJ is uniquely designed to serve as an international platform for scholars, researchers, and students from all over the world, especially from ASEAN countries, to publish new and innovative knowledge from their academic research outcomes. The journal showcases outstanding quality researches with any topic related to ASEAN region, paving a way for the development of strong academic society and network. AEJ is currently indexed by Thai Journal Citation Index Center and ASEAN Citation Index. Our journal is striving to become globally recognized as it is now in the process of submitting the journal to Scopus database and working closely with other remarkable international organizations. The journal has been cited in as many as 22 countries at present. Regional Conference Program, or RC, serves as a constructive platform for sharing the most up-to-date technologies and researches relating to common regional issues. It aims at maximizing the positive impacts and the expansion of AUN SEED-NET network by involving external participants including representatives from the government, industry, community, institutions outside of the network, and other professional organizations.
With long-term cooperation, AUN SEED-NET has established a strong academic network within ASEAN and Japan. To sustain the growing network and achieve the best outcome, the cooperation and support from each country's Ministry of Education and relevant parties are essential. In particular, providing scholarship support and strengthening collaborative research programs by ASEAN through information sharing and connection building would certainly lead to a fruitful result. Finally, I would like to thank all of you for your continuous support to AUN SEED-NET.